Welcome back to Squadding Quads, and this is part number 2 of the FlyFish 55 review, technical specs, and of course the giveaway. That's right, you can win this exact drone, only brand new, built by me. You've seen the QC on it. If you're happy with the QC, I'll build it exactly to this same spec. I'll tune it, that we're going to have a look at later on in this video. We're going to look at some unstabilized footage. We're going to have a look at the amp draw and see just how efficient this drone really is. And we're just going to fly it around and have a bit more fun with it. I want you to win this drone. Yeah, you. No, not you. No, you're being too pushy. No, you. I want you to win this drone. And I'm going to put the details of how to win it at the end of this video. Right, let's go with part 2. Well guys, what a crazy week it's been. And this video intended to be really detailed, really theatrical. It intended to show things off like the position hold, the altitude hold. I intended to show you amp draw. I intended to show you loads of things on this video, but so many things have come in this week that we just haven't had the time to dedicate to it. And I know you guys all want to win this amazing drone as quick as you possibly can. So I've taken the decision to get this video out. It's not how I would like to get it out, but ultimately I've made you a promise, and I made you a promise that it would be done for the weekend, and it wasn't. So I need to get it out as quick as possible. So we're gonna launch the video as it is. Quick note about this flight. This flight shows you how well this drone flies, how smoothly it tracks. We're using Fly FPV LED strips. We've got one color on the front and one color on the back. It means that you can see it so far away. Those LEDs are the brightest things I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm going to put details of the PID tuning after this as well, in case you want to build one yourself rather than trying to win it. And talking of winning it, we've got loads of giveaways coming up. Now, first of all, Tim S has won the Oasis Fly 30 frame. Please do contact me via my email address. It's going to be down below in the description. I was going to do it as a live video. I just cannot find the time in the day at the moment, so I do apologize for that. We're going to have the Pavo 20 Pro announced in a few days. We've got the monster truck to be announced, and as of tomorrow we've got a giveaway with Dolphin RC on my Instagram, so go and visit my Instagram page from midnight. Essentially, you just have to tag a few friends in and make sure you're following both myself and Dolphin RC to win some really cool prizes, including some filters. Now, I did film an outro for this because I expected this to be a longer video. The outro is going to detail all the information you need to know about the giveaway, but if you've got any more specific questions about it, please do let me know in the comments down below. I wish each and every one of you the very best of luck with the competition, and if it goes well, hopefully we can do this more and more often. If you've got any questions whatsoever though, please do just let me know. Right, let's go back to quads from the past, back at the field of quad screams and broken dreams. Thanks so much for watching part 2 of the FlyFish 55. Now, I know why you've all stuck around, because you all want to win this. It's going to cost you as little as $1, €1 or £1, approximately, give or take whatever the exchange rate is at the time. And for that, you are going to save yourselves $500, $600, $700 or whatever your currency is equivalent to. And you're going to get a brand new drone that's tuned, that's tested, that's assembled. Because remember, you can't buy FlyFish bind and fly. So this is a one-off, and it's going to cost you as little as £1 or $1. Now, you can enter as many times as you want, and I just want to say thank you to anybody that does enter, because not only are you giving yourselves a really good chance at winning this, but what you're also doing is you're helping funding the channel to move forward. The support that you guys have shown me has been extraordinary, but you've got to bear in mind, we are a tiny channel when going up against the big boys. So we have to do things a little bit differently, hence the gloves, hence the face mask, and we're trying to create as many talking points as possible. And now we're trying to give you a drone that's worth $700. What other channel does that? Genuinely, what other channel does that? And if you can win it for a dollar, you've saved yourself $699. And you'll help push the channel forward. We can do more reviews, we can do more giveaways, and I want you to be rest assured, should I say, that any paid giveaway will not impact on the free giveaways that we do. We try and do one every sort of month. At the minute, we're doing one every week. We will not affect those free giveaways. Those free giveaways will always be there as often as I possibly can. But this helps the channel, and this helps get you something really special in your hands. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please do leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, good luck and peace out.